interesting video in Thamizh Inikkithu. So my name is Rehan.
And I'm Rehan's mom.
Okay, today we're gonna do a max quiz.
Okay.
So before that,
This is our channel, Thamizh Inikkithu. Subscribe our channel and then we'll be submitting more interesting videos. And from now on, we'll try to put our face cam so that you can see us when we are doing any activities like our max sum or our max tutorial or any quiz games we are playing online, so that we will be more connected. Okay, so subscribe our channel and be connected to us.
Okay.
We are from Thamizh Inikkithu.
Okay, and first before that, please hit the bell icon so you know whether we post any videos.
Yeah.
So yeah, okay.
Okay, so we'll start off with our quiz.
It's
Okay,
40
let me
problems.
Okay, it's a 40 problems. It's an addition. It's an addition and 40.
And it's 40.
So once I click this start quiz, the time starts counting.
Yeah.
And Rehan has to do as fast as possible. We are trying to target less than 4 minutes to complete the 40 quiz, and Rehan's goal is to get
40. I'm fine. 40.
40
A point 40.
out of 40. Okay, ready, get set, and go.
Okay. Alright, so
Start.
it's pretty simple.
Don't panic. Chill pill. I'm sure you can do it.
Yeah.
After all, it's just we are doing this for fun because during this lockdown period we are tired of doing all the worksheets and all given by the school. So we thought, why not have some fun? So we found this max quiz which Rehan can improve his addition mental sums. Correct?
Yeah.
It's a fun in a way that because the computer tell you the results immediately, so you feel motivated.
Yeah. And we can try again.
Yeah. In case if you got wrong, then you keep trying until you get the full marks.
Yep.
Sixteen plus 16.
Is 2.
Yeah.
Eight. I really want to get 40 out of 40.
1, 4. I think this time the computer is much lenient with you, giving you all this. Very easy.
Oh, it's giving only 1-digit numbers.
Why? They felt that you really want to get a 40 for 40.
Yeah.
Okay. Rehan have this habit of using his finger, which I thought it's okay. Let him do his sum in his own style and own method. I don't want to emphasize on any shortcuts. He likes to use his fingers to count.
No.
Yeah, there you're using there. You can show it them how you're using your finger. See, that's how you're using your finger. Oops. That was just now you're wrong. You changed the wrong question.
13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19.
Okay, next one. I think I disturbed you. Oops.
Oops. What? How did that happen?
This one. Click here. Yeah. I disturbed you. Sorry.
Look, she's repeating.
Okay, scroll up. Yeah. Okay. 17. Let's go up.
10.
10. We're almost there. Another last 3. And the last 3 questions, right?
Yeah. "27 and 20.
Wait, I think they can't see it.
Mark my quiz, please.
Okay, the
Okay.
last one was 20, and we click finish.
Yes.
Ready?
Yes.
5, 4,
4,
3,
3,
2,
2, 1,
1.
0.
It's marking.
Yay! 3
Yay!
minutes, 4 minutes this time.
Almost 4 minutes. 3 minutes and 59 seconds. So we target for less than 4 minutes. You were less than 4 minutes by 1 second.
1 second.
And in between, I think I disturbed you also. So it's 40 upon 40. Well done,
Yay.
Rehan. Okay, so are you ready to do your multiplication right now?
Yeah.
All right.
I always wonder why it's
Okay, so now we're going to choose the multiplication. Just now, Rehan did the addition. Now we choose the multiplication, and we're choosing just 20 sums is enough for today. Okay, ready? Are you ready?
What is the default one?
Ready, start. Okay, your quiz started.
Okay.
And your time starts now.
What
4
else?
times 1. 1 times 6.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my god. Did I choose the primary 1 level?
I also don't know.
I think I chose the wrong level. It's not for primary 4. It's super duper easy. Wow. I shouldn't have choose this. Is there any level choosing? I think.
Sure, grade 4.
Okay.
Oh, this is 64.
No, that's correct.
This is 64.
8 times 6.
40, 48.
48. Yep. 48. Okay, 3 times 0 is 0.
Anything is
15. Okay, 9 times table, you're struggling a bit there. I think no. I don't think so. 9 times 7 is 56. I teach you, okay? It's not counted.
Then why
9 times 3.
You always teach.
Because I'm your mom. I can't just sit and watch.
This is 56.
Yeah.
0.
0 times 0 is 0. And scroll up. We didn't scroll up.
What scroll up?
Okay, they can't see your sum.
Scroll up or scroll down?
Bring it up. Okay, 1 times 1 is 1, and we have done the 20 sums.
Yeah.
It was pretty easy for Rehan because it's like primary 1 level.
Yeah.
And we got 20 about 20 and done in 1 minute and 45 seconds. So you all can go and search for this such max quiz in Google, and then it's more interesting to play, and it keeps the kids motivated. If I make him to do this piece of work in a paper, he'll be mumbling and grumbling and saying all sort of things. Oh, I'm so bored. Okay, at least online he's a bit motivated, aren't you, Rehan?
Yes.
Okay, so we are from Thamizh Inikkithu. Subscribe our channel and keep watching. Bye for the day.
Bye.